Yeah, so you like to bully people, huh? Is that right? Is that right? You like to bully people? Yeah, well, check this out right here. Yeah, you see what I got planned for you? Huh? Yeah, all them headlocks. Huh? All them pushing people down steps and whatnot. All right, I got you. Yeah, check this out. Cheer. Uh-huh. Hey, how you doing, Mrs. Bully? Yeah. Want to introduce you to Mr. Thunder and Mr. Lightning. Yeah. Huh? Huh? Come on. Say hello. Yeah, say hello to my little friend. Huh? 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 Yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Huh? Huh? Yeah.